What's up, y'all? We're gonna show you how to install the new Steady Stick. This is on the Wilderness Systems Tactical Pro 128 for you today. You get the Steady Stick track mount at the bottom and then sort of your main mast with a nice ball grip on top. 2 support arms, and they come with these ram ball joints that we'll show you where they mount in a second. And then the last piece is gonna be the aluminum catch track mount. So we'll show you how to install this. Let's get this thing drilled. So I'm gonna go right dead center, and I'm gonna mark my first hole. Drill through. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a bolt down so it stays in place, and then drill the other 3. Right on top of the hole there. And we're just gonna get her started. So we got that bolt mounted. Now we're gonna drill our other 3 holes. And then we're gonna use our bolt through, washer, nut. One trick is get the bolt started on the bottom, grab your socket wrench to hold it steady, and then just tighten it down as you go. That'll save you from having to use the wrench at the end when you have no space. And it'll keep everything nice and tight. All right, just double checking all these to make sure they're all tight on the bolt. I'm pulling hard. There we go. I'm tightening this down. I'm gonna put these all the way at the end so they're kind of out of the way and we get the most stability. We're using the max amount of track. And we'll just snap this back on, tighten it up. And we're just gonna stage this for now till it's time to hook it up. Same thing on the other side, twisty twist. Jeff, thanks for the help. Thanks for nothing. And now the coup de grace.
It's coupe de grace.
It's coupe de grace. All right, so now here's how we get our true tripod. So your 2 support arms, now we're gonna put the main arm on. So you're gonna insert a bolt here in the middle. Then you're gonna wanna guide in your first one. Then you're gonna guide this one in. There it goes. And you just gotta watch which way they're facing. Make sure they're facing the right way to slide into that track. Just takes a second. You'll see it's a perfect fit. So now I can tighten these down. Now this is just a plug so that you get no water inside there. You can use it or not, totally up to you. We're gonna tighten these down. These are also a Catch product, and I've used these before, these little manual twisties. These things are phenomenal. They get an amazing, amazing grip. They work super good. And then you're going to, because we had that middle track, you're gonna center point this in the middle, and you're just gonna, so now you're gonna be able to screw it in. And this is where you're getting all that stability from. Boom. There, rock steady. So now I've got these staged. You can see right here, I'm not quite gonna reach where I'm at right now, so I need to move these in just a little bit. So now we can see we're at the furthest point. We're nice and straight and steady. We're gonna tighten this arm down a bit, not all the way. And we're gonna tighten our ram ball up. There we go. Ram ball's tight, and now we just tighten our arm here. So now all points tight. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Kind of get things positioned just right. Tighten down our ball joint. Same thing here, slip this over the top. Tight, tight, tight. And there you go. I would just get everything nice and sturdy. There we go. So the idea here is you have something that's extremely steady for you to grab onto, and then you got 3 points of contact here, extremely steady. If you want to stand up assist, you reach up here, stand up, makes things a lot easier for you. And same, you're sitting down, you're not getting a explosion that you usually get. You can do a nice, steady, controlled motion for that. And when you've got your trolling motor on, which we'll see on the water, hold onto this, I can scoot up a little bit, and I can have full confidence when I'm trolling motor around that I'm not gonna get knocked over by a big wave, a log, whatever. Got everything I need right here. So let's get this thing on the water, see how it works. on his back. Crazy. Then if you, I can pull up to the ramp if you want to pull up first. Just like that. That is the Steady Stick install. Super easy, super simple, cool product, lots of adjustability. Make it whatever you need it to be, but these 3 points of contact are legit. The install takes about 10-15 minutes. There you go.